Here's an app called Poi Fast AI Chat. It's one of the popular apps and it's developed by Quora. It's pretty interesting. And it's a pretty advanced app and it's quite different from standard third-party ChatGPT apps, and I will show you wow. So definitely give it a try. So let's just open it up so you can see some previews here. So let's just open it up. You can easily create an account, and then if you tap in top left here, what you can see that there are all types of bots, all types of models. It's not only ChatGPT, OpenAI, it's also Claude Plus, Claude Instant, ChatGPT, Dragonfly, and also you can create your own bot. So here, if I just go to settings, I can see about, for example, and we can see that there are all the different types of bots. Claude Instant can be good at some creative writing tasks. Claude Plus, that's significantly better. And these bots are from Anthropic. I think that's different companies than OpenAI. And then there is ChatGPT, there is Dragonfly, and then there is ChatGPT 4 even. But you have a limited access to those, to the most advanced ones, and you will need to upgrade. So here, if you go to settings, if you want to subscribe, you can just subscribe to PO, and then yearly is $200 or monthly $19.99. And then you can just see that it kind of makes sense because for ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, for ChatGPT kind of professional, at the moment you're paying $20 per month. Here you can pay like $200 per year, and then you will get all like very big access, not unlimited access though, to GPT-4 and Claude Plus, and here you can see that you will be able to ask at least 300 GPT-4 and 1000 Claude Plus messages per month at normal speeds. So I already tried to answer GPT message, and you can only have like one message for like 7 hours. So that's very hard to use. So yeah, you need to have really ideal prompt already designed, built for you. And then you will just be able to ask that in this chatbot. So that's basically the idea. If you don't like your privacy, you can delete all messages. You can also log out or just delete your account. And yes, this app is being built by Quora, which is pretty cool. And it has all these different, different topics. So that's, for example, all the users can share their experiences, how they are chatting, and some interesting replies. And then you can just ask some suggested categories and suggested topics, like you can ask about cooking. So that's, and then you can invite a friend so they can start using this chatbot. Then you can see all these people, you can follow them. So these are all like different people which are basically having like chatbot experiences, and they're just sharing them on the feed. So that's kind of alternative to Quora. Like you can say maybe that's how Quora actually sees the future of it. So instead of people replying to questions, these users are actually sharing their interactions with chatbots. So they don't, you don't need like Quora probably like anymore, because you can ask anything in the chatbot. So Quora.com website, if you don't know, is like the Q&A website. You answer some question and there are like 10 people proposing you different answers. It's like one of the oldest and most popular forums. But now you can probably do all of that in all these chatbots. So then you just can answer all of these things in the chatbot, and then you can just share the experience with your followers. And then here you can just write a post from yourself, and then you can just post it. I don't know how it works. And there you have, that's just your post. So you can also do that. I've done, okay. anyhow, so here you just, for example, have this experience, like, and then you can just share on Poe, and then this can be like your experience with some, sharing some recipe you discovered and some interesting snippet you discovered while talking with this model. And then you just have feed, which is basically, I guess, a lot of people sharing all of these experiences. So that's basically the idea. You also can visit poa.com on a website. It works like a website. Then you can also create a bot yourself. And what's the point of creating a bot? Because you can chat directly with ChatGPT bot. Well, when you create a bot, you can select a base model, and then you can just enter some prompt. For example, so you want to have like a joking bot. And of course, like the model is the same, ChatGPT is the same, but you can just create some specific angle for this bot. And maybe some people will like specifically this angle and will interact more with this. And then you just have bot preview. You can add some advanced features to your bot, like suggest replies, render markdown, bot response, and then you can just create the bot. And then, yeah, there you have it. Then you can just go to it, and then you can see how many people are following this bot. You can add it, you can delete it, you can view prompt, you can share the bot. And this bot uses a model that is powered by OpenAI. So this is one of the few apps where you can actually create a bot easily on ChatGPT and then just share it with friends, and your friends can interact with it. Yes, like pretty interesting angle. There are some other similar apps which try to do that, like Chai app, where you can just create your own bot, and you will be surprised how many people, teenagers, are just interacting with these bots, especially if you can interact, maybe not on this app, with your friends together with this bot. And it's pretty interesting. So pretty cool idea. Let's see how it develops. So yeah, other than that, there you have that. So I just created like 2 bots. Yeah, you can invite other people, but I think you don't need an invite to go to this app and create a profile. Then this is like my profile. You can see my posts. You can see, add your username, change your profile picture. You can add friends here. By username, I guess. So you just need to search. Yeah, so that's the idea. That's how it works. You can always send some feedback, and yeah, so something around this. Try out this app. It's free to use. But if you want to have access to GPT-4 or Cloud Plus, then you will probably need to upgrade. And what is the pricing? You can see 199 per month, which again is kind of cheaper than if you just pay monthly for ChatGPT. It's already $20 per month. Here you also have the ability to try out some other bots. And with a paid subscription, you can get at least 300 GPT-4 and 1,000 Claude Plus messages per month at normal speeds. After message limits are reached, at times when POE server capacity, messaging speed, quality, or bot availability might be reduced. So there you have it.